Hey, this is Dave at Custom Dynamics. Today we're talking about our ProBEAM TriBar. So where this replaces your stock TriBar, your stock is only a running light. So this is a great way to add an additional brake light to your bike. It's a simple installation. It is plug and play. You take your two stock screws out, pull your TriBar out and plug this one in, put the two screws back in. So very simple, about a 10-minute install here. And now you have a replacement that's a run and a brake. This one that we have installed here is a smoke. So we'll turn this on here. You'll see that you have a running light and now you have a brake light. We have this hooked up to our Magic strobe unit. So you have a brake light that's also a strobe light. So run and brake, ProBEAM TriBar, lifetime warranty from Custom Dynamics.